filter your data with OffShoot. The first 3 parameters in the Organize tab of OffShoot settings let you specify which data you want to copy from your memory card. The first parameter lets you choose to copy only files or not copy files. But why would you use this? Maybe your camera creates extra files like metadata, still frames, or proxies you don't want to copy. This allows you to specify the data type you only want to copy to keep your rushes folder tidy with the needed data. I use this to avoid having too many unnecessary files my A74 or FS7 creates on my hard drives, but please ensure in advance that you won't need the extra data. Ignore bundles is a great way not to copy bundle folders like AVCHD bundles. You can even tell OffShoot if it should only consider bundles below a specific file size. The next one is ignore folders, which you can set to off when empty, or flatten all folders. In this example, I will show you what those 3 mean and the outcome. I mostly keep this in my presets at flatten all folders. I don't need the folder structure my cameras generate for my projects. However, if I worked on a bigger production or with another company, I would always check their workflow in advance and adjust it accordingly. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. If you like this video and my other tutorials, please subscribe and share them with everyone. Thanks for watching. Cheers and bye-bye.